Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the MELISEN wall-mounted folding table, a versatile and modern solution for maximizing space in your home or office. This stylish table, crafted from eco-friendly natural pine wood, features a beautiful round shape and a clear texture that resists deformation, making it both durable and attractive. Its innovative wall-mounted design allows you to fold it up when in use and fold it down to reveal a sleek surface, perfect for any room, whether it's the kitchen, laundry room, or even a cozy cafe. Measuring 23.6 inches long by 15.7 inches wide, this compact table can support up to 80 pounds, yet folds down to a mere 3.14 inches in thickness, making it an ideal choice for small spaces. With a net weight of just 8.2 pounds, it's easy to handle, and assembly is a breeze, taking only about half an hour with the help of detailed instructions. Plus, maintenance is simple. Just wipe it clean with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. Whether you need a dining table, a study desk, or a workbench, the MELISEN wall-mounted folding table is the perfect blend of functionality and style for any setting. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.